Welcome to Cake in a Mug. These are the recipes: egg, flour, chocolate tea bag, Lasco, milk or tin milk, last baking powder, just a little drop, and water. Throw the water in the cup. That will do. Mix well. Add egg. Mix. Scoop the flour. Three scoops or so. Mix well. Add baking powder. Now add the chocolate. I forgot about the sugar. Just add little sugars in here, guys, not too much. Oh, there we go. I went ahead and added more flour, and it's too much now, so I can throw some in another mug and let that spread. You see me? So now I threw it in someone else. Now let's do this. Leave that in there about 5 minutes. Anyways, I saw them turn out. Okay, enjoy. Yang Guan. Like and sub.